Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Each cell in a table can have formatting applied to it independently from other cells in the table. You can set attributes like alignment, height, width, border color, background color, and even have a picture appear in the background. These property settings can be very useful when, for example, you need to display a set of data and want to draw attention to a certain cell in the table. To view the properties for table cells, first select the cells, columns, or rows that you'd like to view or change the properties of. Then, click Format in the menu bar and click Properties. Or, you could simply right-click in the cell and click Cell Properties. In the Cell Properties dialog box, you can use the horizontal and vertical alignment drop-downs to define how content within the cell aligns. You can set the relative width and height of a cell by specifying how many rows and columns the selected cell should span with the rows spanned and columns spanned fields. You can specify the exact width and height by selecting the checkboxes for each to indicate that you would like to set the dimensions manually. Notice you can also set the dimensions in pixels or in a percentage of the table. Then you have options to make this a header cell and to select that it does not wrap. The header cell option makes the selected cell emphasized by bolding it. The no wrap option prevents the cell's contents from wrapping to the next line if the content is text. In addition to cell layout properties, you can use the borders and background sections of the dialog box to apply special color and image formatting to cells. If the table border is set to a width other than 0, you can use the color, light border, and dark border color palettes to choose colors for the borders of the selected cell. If you want to apply a single color for the border, select a color from the color drop-down. If you want to apply a more three-dimensional or shaded look, then do not select a color from the color drop-down, but select colors from the light border and dark border drop-downs. The light and dark border colors can only be changed if you do not have a theme applied to the page or site you are working on. Themes will automatically override light border and dark border colors. In the background section, you can use the color drop-down to select a background color for the selected cell. If you don't want a background color, simply select Automatic. If you want to use an image for the background, select the Use Background Picture checkbox and then click the Browse button to find the image on your local computer or network that you'd like to use. Once you have selected all of the layout and formatting options for the selected cells, rows, or columns, click OK to apply the settings.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.